Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HubSpot CRM custom properties and pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up custom properties in HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, locate and click on properties under the data management section. Here, you will see a list of existing properties. To create a new custom property, click the Create Property button. Choose the object type you want the property to be associated with, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Next, fill in the property details including the label, description, and field type. Select an appropriate field type from the available options, like text, drop-down, checkbox, or date picker. Once you have configured the property settings, click Next. In the Group section, assign the property to an existing group or create a new. Click Create Property to save your custom property. Now that your custom property is set up, let's move on to creating a pipeline. From the Settings menu, navigate to Pipelines under the Objects section. Click on Create Pipeline located at the top right of the Pipelines page. Choose the object type for your pipeline, such as deals or tickets. Name your pipeline clearly to ensure it's easily identifiable. Next, add stages to your pipeline by clicking Add Stage. For each stage, provide a name and description to define its purpose. Adjust the probability percentage for each stage to reflect the likelihood of closing a deal. Once you have added all desired stages, click Save or Create Pipeline to finalize your new pipeline. To link your custom properties to the pipeline, go back to your deals or related object. Open a deal and click Edit Properties to include your newly created custom property. Select the custom property you wish to add from the drop-down menu and save the changes. Your custom properties and pipeline are now successfully set up in HubSpot CRM. You can start utilizing these features to tailor your CRM to your business needs. Remember to regularly review and adjust your properties and pipelines as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.